Hello and welcome to binary trading on pocket option. Today we have two strategies. Watch this video till the end because at the end you can get giveaway free money from my profit. Share this video with your friends so we can increase your chances to be a winner. Let's go. So we are on the broker. I analyzed and selected all currency pairs with the most optimal movement patterns and interest rates on payments. For today, we have this selection. You can see before your eyes. Having analyzed the movement for today, I came to the conclusion that the first strategy I'm gonna be guided, as the most cases I do, by the trend. Where would I be without it? And for this I selected the corresponding indicator, weighted moving average with a period 15, fractal with default settings, and as usual there's a isolator with a period of 10. So today it's our first strategy. We're gonna use them as moving average. So in the areas of oversold and overbought, the main reference point and search for signals will be precisely on these indicators. In fact, you can start little by little. I carried out detailed analysis and high quality, so I will be absolutely confident in each of my open trades. And in fact, let's get started. Okay, here I'm gonna open bearish trade. I'm focusing here on the overbought area. In general, it would have been possible to open a deal at a more favorable level, but I think that the downward exit will still occur. In general, here we mostly have the prevailing downtrend dynamics, and judging in more detail after updating the local minimum, right, of this one, the price rolled back and a local maximum formed. Then essentially we have price dynamics. It should go down the trend again. This is the exit from the overbought area of the oscillator, and in general this is my logic for entering this trade. I don't rely on the moving average here, and actually the first transaction gonna be in a plus in the next 2 seconds. Yep, easy, without no problems, without no troubles. We closed in the profits, so let's change the amount of transaction. Okay, here also two short positions. Here I'm also guided by the moving average, guys. So let's select the workspace for you. Okay, there are two obvious local maximums that appeared here. Here's the first and here's the second, and the second has been updated several price levels lower, and then our price dynamics have also gone down. For the most part, here now in this section of the movement there is a downward trend. Here we have a crossover of the weighted moving average from top to bottom. This is a signal to open a trade for a fall. I also see an exit here from the overbought area and the tendency of the oscillator moving line to the oversold area. So let's look at the results. And all our positions is in profits. That's such great result. No problems. That's great. So we looked at two principles for entering a trade. In the first one we were guided by the overbought area and the formation of a local maximum, right? Here we're now being guided by the trend and by the intersection of the weighted moving average. I'm absolutely satisfied with the results. I will fix it and then we'll move to the second strategy. So don't turn off this video, watch it till the end. Alright guys, this is the strategy. This is what was first strategy. Let's move to the second one. Alright guys, let's review second strategy. Next indicators is a Bollinger Bands with a period of 13 deviation of 2. We also have a fractal with default settings and two RSI oscillators. The first one comes with a period of 5. The second one will have a period of 10. we leave the oversold and overbought areas at the default 70 and 30. Today we will focus specifically according to these indicators. We will open trades based on local highs and lows. Right now we will also carefully monitor the Bollinger Band, and of course the oversold and overbought areas will help us today. So in general, I carried out the detailed analysis, right, for other currency pairs, and let's start with $1,000. Alright guys, let's open short here. I was a little unlucky with the entry point. In general, it was planned to be open a trade, of course, several price levels higher, and just before the opening the candle showed a sharp downward impulse. But nevertheless, I think that the dynamics of this candle will continue the same pattern of movement, and we will close the deal in plus as usual. Here we have touched the top of the top moving channel indicator. We also saw the formation of a local maximum along the fractal. So I think we will have a rollback of dynamics in an upward trend, and I will also definitely watch the exit from overbought areas for both oscillators. So in this case I open short position. Let's watch the results. 2 seconds. All right, and we're in a profit. That's right, that's great. Despite the not good opening level, everything is fine. The rollback continued, and overall the deal was closed as a plus. Let's change the amount and continue. Alright, let's open long positions here. I think the trend will also help us in this trade, right? Because the entry point is not entirely ideal, I know, since the ideal entry point was the formation of the local minimum, and when the price touched the lower moving average of the channel indicator. But nevertheless, I'm guided and pushed off by the trend. Our trend is quite strongly upward here, and also there were an exit from the oversold area on one of the oscillator, also observing of moving a reversal on the second oscillator, and also formation of the local minimum did happen. The price rollback was quite good, and here I think the trend will help me. There are just the last seconds, and I guess we are in a profit. Yep. Of course, all the positions is in profits. Even with bad opening, position is in profits because position or strategy works. The price staying at the same place, but as I said, the best opening level need to be opened to the local minimum, and if we had already opened a deal here, then in the next 4 minutes, as you can see, our dynamics were going up, and in general the signal would be absolutely accurate and 100% correct. But I will be satisfied with the results of today's trading and propose to take the profit. Alright, continue button, and transaction is completed, guys. Try these two strategies. As you saw, it works, it's great. Leave me a comment about your experience, what's the results of your trading. Also waiting for your questions in my Telegram channel, links below in the description. Don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel. Have a good market, have a good profit, bye bye. So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get $300 draw. So I want to help you to start
and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.